So we're going to create an annotated bibliography using bibme. So you go to bibme.org, and most of the and you want to create an account. I'm logged in as myself. You just take about 1 minute to register for bibme, and then you can use it and they'll save your files for you. All of the information that I'm getting about my ideal life happens to come from websites, and so I click on the website tab and it will just let me autofill these, and I have these saved at the bottom of my screen, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this information in. One of the things I found that was really interesting was this blog post about how to really prioritize what you want to do in your life, and that impacted my search, so I'm just going to save it. So you click in the address field and you can right click on your mouse to copy, and then I'm going to kill that and then I can right click to paste this URL right into my address field. I'm going to make sure I have. Okay, and when I click load info, bibme will create a citation for me. Let's see if this is really true. It breaks everything apart and has the page title and the website title. The date accessed is today. It automatically fills that in. And I don't really know who that author is, so sometimes with a website, if you don't know, you can just leave it blank. And this was really helpful for me because I can just say this website helped me prioritize my thoughts and my search. That's all you need for an annotation, and bibme lets you create it right there, and I can add it to my bibliography. I want to use APA format, so you can see by default it's MLA. I want to use APA. I just select that, and it already has this entry ready to go in APA format, and when I download it, my annotation will be there. So let's move to the next, whoops, don't want to use that one. The next site that I have, I want to, on a $40,000 salary, move from Michigan to, let's see if they have, yeah, to Dothan, Alabama, and let's click and get my result. And 40 in Detroit is like 34 in Dothan, which is good. So I want to copy those results and add those to bibme, and let's see what it does there. Come on, bibme. There we go. I want to load that information, and you can see that it gives me all the basic information. I still don't have an author. And here it keeps the same annotation, so you can use that as a template, which is great. I click annotation, and I can say this website helped me see how much I would have to earn in Dothan, and I want to add that to my bibliography. Okay, it's still using APA because that's what I used before, and this starts with a C, and my other entry started with an M, so you can see it already alphabetizes it for me. So let's pretend that I have all my sites in there. Every time I'm done, I want to save this to my account. That's very important. But if I want to, if I'm done with everything and I want to download it, I can download it, and I want to open it with Word, and you can see that it appears perfectly formatted. Life is beautiful, and I can take away this part at the end that says it was formatted by bibme and leave that as it is. If I used a different font for the rest of my paper, I can just highlight everything and change it in Word to the font that I used in the rest of my paper, because you want your same font, same font size, etc. throughout your entire academic paper. But that's it. You can see that you have the actual entry, and then following the entry you have your annotation, and that's all you have.